So we'll start with taking a deep breath, then exhaling. Take another deep breath. You can even hold it for a bit, and then exhale. And to help clear your thoughts, you can count 1 in, 2 out. So getting into that comfortable seated position, legs crossed if you choose to do so, or if you're sitting in a chair, feet are touching the ground. You could do it lying down as well, but you may fall asleep if that's the case. So we're doing a body scan and get comfortable yet alert and attentive. So if you're in a seated position, back straight, don't have to be too rigid. Can be straight but relaxed. And if it's comfortable for you to do so, and close your eyes, and we'll come back to the breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now breathe on your own terms. No need to control the breathing, but focus on the breath. Focusing on the breath can help you clear your mind. And if a thought comes, that's okay. Without judging, let that thought pass. Focus on your breathing. Feel the air enter your nostrils, exit out of your lungs and through your mouth. Just focus on your breath. And if you have a lot of thoughts, and if focusing on your breath is not helping, you can try counting. 1 when you inhale, 2 when you exhale. 1, 2. So we're doing a body scan, and we'll focus first on your toes. What sensations do you feel? Focus your attention on your feet. There might be a little bit of pressure on your feet. Without judging, pay attention to the sensations. And we'll work our way up from the feet to our calves. What sensations do you feel in your calves? We'll move from our calves to our knees. Do you feel sensation in your knees? Move your awareness from your knees to your thighs. And from your thighs to your hips and your bottom area. If If you're sitting cross-legged on the ground, you might feel sensations between the ground and your bottom. Move your awareness up to your back, your spine, your torso, moving up a little bit more to your chest area, your lungs, feeling the air go into your lungs. Move your awareness to your shoulders. Now go through your arms, to your elbows, to your wrists, to your hands, all the way to your fingertips. From your fingertips, we'll go back up the arm, to your wrist, your elbow, your shoulders, and we'll move up to the neck, to your face. Feel the sensations in your face without judging. Do you feel the sensations on your chin, your mouth, your nose? Can you feel the air enter in through your nostrils and exit through your mouth? Can you feel the sensations in your ears, the area of your eyes, your forehead, focus your attention on your forehead. Can you feel the sensations on your forehead as you breathe in and breathe out? And if it feels comfortable to you, you can feel your energy connect up all the way out into the universe. And that energy comes back to you. So come back to your breath without controlling it, just paying attention to it, without judging, just breathing, just being. Feel the sensations of your entire body. And when it feels comfortable to you, you can start wiggling your fingers. You can start wiggling your toes. And when you're ready to come back to the room, you can slowly, gently blink your eyes open.